Insu Guru welcomes you all to this beautiful presentation on GIPSA Promotional Exercise 2025, Questions and Answers for Motor Insurance dated the 14th of December 2024. Let's discuss. Q1. How much compensation is payable under Section 164 of the Motor Vehicle Act, 2019 in case of death? Answer 500,000 rupees. Q2. Under which section of the Motor Vehicle Act, 2019 is the transfer of claim facilitated in Motor Accident Claim Tribunal, MACT, cases? Scale 2 to 3. Answer. The transfer of claims in MACT cases is facilitated under Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act, 2019. Q3. If the IDV of vehicle is 25,000 rupees with an engine capacity of 1,539 cc, at what value should the insurance policy be renewed? Answer. Minimum IDV for vehicle above 1500 cc is 30,000 rupees. Q4. What is the threshold amount below which a surveyor is not required to assess the motor insurance claim? Answer. 50,000 rupees. Q5. How is the depreciation value calculated for a vehicle exceeding 2 years but less than 3 years in motor insurance? Answer. Manufacturer's listed selling price less 30%. Q6. What is the compensation provided in hit-and-run cases under motor third-party insurance as per the Motor Vehicles Act? Answer. In hit-and-run cases, the compensation is 200,000 rupees for death, 50,000 rupees for grievous injury. Q7. What is no-fault liability, NFL, under motor third-party insurance, and what are the compensation limits? Answer. The no-fault liability provisions, as per the previous Motor Vehicles Act of 1988, were eliminated by the Motor Vehicles Act of 2019. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Q8. Which IMT covers vehicle imported without custom duty and what is loading for the same under motor insurance? Options. IMT 19 with 30% loading. IMT 18 with 30% loading, scale 3 to IV. Answer. IMT 19 with 30% loading. Q9. Which IMT GR covers CNG, LPG kit in bi-fuel system? Answer. IMT.25. CNG, LPG kit in bi-fuel system, GR 42 use of CNG, LPG fuel. Q10. Which of the following attracts additional premium in motor trade internal risks only policy? Answer. Open-air car parks. Q11. What is the validity period of a cover note in motor insurance? Answer. 60 days. Q12. What are the geographical zones for 4C1 and 4C4 in motor insurance? Scale 3 to IV. Answer. Zone A. Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi, and Pune. Zone B. Rest of India. Q13. Section 149. 1 of the Motor Vehicles Act refers to the appointment of which officer? Scale 3 to IV. Answer. Appointment of a designated officer. Q14. What is the compulsory TP policy section in motor insurance? Scale I to 2. Answer. Section 146. Q15. What is a goods carrying vehicle with a capacity of up to 4,000 watts known as? Scale I to 2. Answer. A light commercial vehicle, LCV, or a light goods vehicle, LGV, in motor insurance. Q16. What is the excess for a three-wheeler, PC? Scale I to 2. Answer. 1,000 rupees for engines below 1500 cc. Q17. A new car on the first day of insurance got accidental damage, and batteries were fully damaged. How much depreciation will be charged? Answer. 50% depreciation will be charged. Q18. Which of the following is not mentioned in a cover note? Insured name, invoice value, premium, claim experience. Scale 2 to 3. Answer. Claim experience. Q19. If IDV is 15,000 rupees, claim amount is 12,000 rupees, salvage is 4,000 rupees. Then how much claim is payable? Answer. Loss payable in CTL equals IDV. Excess equals 15,000 to 1,000 equals 14,000 rupees. Assuming less than 1500 ccpc. Q20. NCB can be availed in blank after transferring the vehicle. Answer NCB can be availed up to 3 years after transferring the vehicle, provided it is not used on another policy. Q21. Select the incorrect statement. Answer incorrect statement. A 15-year-old can drive a vehicle below 50 cc. Correct age: 16 years. Q22. Which cases cannot be referred to the insurance ombudsman? Answer if proceedings are pending or disposed of by any court, consumer forum, or arbitrator. Please like this video and subscribe the channel. Q23. What is the Automobile Association membership discount given to a private car? Answer 5% of OD premium, subject to a maximum of 200 rupees. Q24. How much depreciation is charged on glass components? Answer: nil. Q25. How much excess is charged for a two-wheeler? Answer: 100 rupees. Q26. Mr. X has taken voluntary excess in motor insurance. What amount will be deducted from his claim? Answer: compulsory excess plus voluntary excess. Q27. What is the validity of a driving license for transport vehicles? Answer: 5 years. Q28. A new vehicle is having an invoice value of 4 lakh rupees. Determine the IDV. Answer: 380,000 rupees. Q29. Vintage cars are certified by. Answer: Vintage and Classic Car Club of India. Q30. What is the time limit to transfer the vehicle to a legal heir's name? Answer: within 3 months from the death of insured, or until the expiry of the policy, whichever occurs earlier. Q31. Laid-up vehicle is considered only if Scale 2 to 3. Answer: if the vehicle is laid up for consecutive 2 months or more. Q32. If laid-up vehicle's policy is renewed with another insurer during the extended period. Answer: no refund, as no cash refund is applicable. Q33. For which of the following countries geographical extension can't be given? Answer: Afghanistan. Q34. Compulsory PA cover for corporates? Answer: cannot be given. Share this video with your friends. Q35. If there is an accident of a new vehicle on the first day and fiberglass is damaged, how much claim is payable? Answer: 30% depreciation will be applied. Q36. What is the limit for the insurance ombudsman's power? Answer: up to 20 rupees lakhs. Q37. A vehicle with temporary registration met with an accident. What will you do? Pay claim. Not pay. Substandard claim. Answer: will pay the claim. Q38. Section 165 of the MV Act is related to Answer: Constitution of Claims Tribunal by the state government. Q39. Which of the following parts have zero depreciation? Scale I to 2. Answer: glass. Q40. What is the meaning of gross vehicle weight, GVW? Answer: gross vehicle weight, GVW, is the total weight of a vehicle when fully loaded, including the vehicle's own weight, passengers and cargo. It is the maximum permissible weight as specified by the manufacturer and the vehicle's certificate of registration. Q41. LMV vehicle is one which is having Answer: GVW up to 7,500 kgs. Q42. NCB is not allowed to Answer: Type E, F, and G policies. Q43. Three-wheeler with battery used for goods, private use, are called Scale I to 2. Answer: e-carts. Q44. New vehicle value 400,000 rupees. Calculate the IDV for issuing insurance policy. Scale I to 2. Answer: 380,000 rupees. Q45. A person took a separate PA policy and motor policy. PA claim can be availed in Scale I to 2. Answer: both policies. Q46. A vehicle without inbuilt CNG, LPG kit fitted during the midterm. When will you add this cover? Answer: after RTO endorsement in the RC. Q47. Battery depreciation if claimed on the next day of policy issuance? Answer: 50%. Q48. In case of loss of one limb, how much compensation is payable? Answer: 50% compensation. Q49. Which risk is not covered during a laid-up vehicle? EQ, flood inundation, malicious act, landslide rockslide. Scale 3 to IV. Answer landslide rockslide. Q50, Mr. X, who is not the owner of the vehicle, was driving the vehicle at the time of the accident. Which of the following documents is not required for claim settlement? Answer owner's driving license. Q51, compulsory cover amount in CPA. Scale I to 2. Answer 15 lakh rupees. Q52, with an LMV license, what can be driven? Answer a transport vehicle or omnibus with a gross vehicle weight, GVW, of up to 7,500 kilograms and a motor car, tractor, or road roller with an unladen weight of up to 7,500 kilogram. Q53, beyond how many years and for obsolete vehicles is IDV fixed on understanding? Answer 5 years. Q54, for a partnership firm, owner-driver PA cover applies to whom? Answer not applicable. Q55, which of the following documents is required while filling a OD claim of goods carrying vehicle? Answer. Load challan. A load challan is required when filing a commercial vehicle insurance claim if the vehicle was carrying goods at the time of the accident. 56. Treatment to victims of hit-and-run accidents is provided under which scheme? Answer the Motor Vehicle Accident Fund, MVAF. Q57. A vehicle purchased in April 2019 has an invoice value of 8 lakh rupees. What is the IDV in May 2022 at renewal? 480,000 rupees, 560,000 rupees, 800,000 rupees. Answer 480,000 rupees. Q58. A 2 months older taken has insured with IMT 23 endorsement. There is damage to bonnet in an accident. If replacement cost is 10,000, how much amount is payable? Answer 5,000 rupees less depreciation. Comment all your doubts in comment section. Some extra questions. Please provide complete questions, answers for following phrases which are also received from some of the aspirants like you. 1. Accessories with vehicle stolen at same time not for 2WH, private car, commercial vehicle, motor trade. Scale 3 to IV. 2. GCCV covers 6 members as passengers, up to 6 passengers for loading, unloading. Scale 3 to IV. 3. NCB can be obtained from OD portion of PC4. Which of the following is not checked in insurance policy as per Chapter 10 and 11 of Motor Vehicle Act 5? No excess policy. Thanks everyone for providing these questions. All the best for the result from Team Insu Guru. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Visit https://t.me/InsuGuru for more.